What are you doing here? You are the last person I wish to set my eyes on, not after the stunt you pull at your place.
God is my witness. I never asked Paul to come to my place.
We'll be outside. We'll wait outside.
Listen, there's something I really want to understand. What is it that Paul did to you that has turned you into a bitter person?
I don't want to talk about it.
Why?
Because it hurts. I have said this before.
Listen, the Paul you met at my house is a changed person. I don't know what he did to you in the past, but this present Paul is a changed man.
Obviously, you do not know this man.
I know him a lot.
That he is your colleague doesn't make him a friend. Doesn't mean you know everything about him.
Okay. If you insist that I don't know him well, why don't you tell me about him?
And I have told you, I do not want to talk about him.
Why? There is nothing good to say about him. What else do you want me to say?
Listen, no matter how bitter quinine is, people will not stop taking it because it is a better medicine for malaria.
All I'm begging you is to let me to try again. Please, if you let me, then I will write up my wrong. Baby, I'm a changed man now. All I need is a second chance. A second chance. A second chance to make everything right again.
My love, welcome. Baby, what happened? You're looking so downtrodden.
He doesn't like her.
Why? I don't understand. How? Why? What's the reason he gave to you?
No reason at all.
But wait, it is so obvious that his village people are following him. This is not normal now, no!
Sweetheart, you know, I have never been the kind of man that believes in all these village inclinations and tradition or whatever. But with the attitude Paul just pulled today, I am forced to believe that that guy has his village people on him.
Paul doesn't know what he's doing to himself. Until he clocks 50, reality will dawn on him.
By then, he will start hurrying to marry. He will then rush into a hurried marriage. Then make a mistake that he might live a lifetime to start trying to patch up.
Exactly. Huh? He doesn't know that this is the right time to get married. Not when he's 60. His children will be calling him Grandpa, Grandpa. It's not a laughing matter. It's very annoying. It's annoying.
Please. I don't think it will get to that. It will get to that, okay?
That's
the grandpa thing just put me off. Well, it will not get to that point.
That's the route he's taking now. Is it not the route he's taking? We're trying to help him, yet he can't even help himself. See, if nothing serious is done to stop him, he will ruin his life.
Well, I am just a friend. The only thing I can do is support, counsel, and try to advise as much as I can. And then hoping that one day he's going to get back to his senses and turn a new leaf. That is the worst I can do.
I pray so. I pray. Because it's only God that can help that man. It's only God.
Sweetheart, it's okay. Rely on married then to a beautiful wife. And then expecting a kid.
All I'm begging you is to let me to try again, please.
My journey of love with Paul was filled with torment, agony.
That is why I want to share that pain with you.
If you insist, I'll tell you 1% of everything that happened.
Please do. I really want to hear everything from you.
Paul came into my company as an auditor. I mean, he came with his own auditing firm to audit our company's account.
Oh, that was before he was transferred to our company.
Yes.
Okay.
We had beautiful moments when we met at first. It was rosy. I loved him with everything in me. And then one thing led to another. He asked that I move into his house, which I did. The moment I got into his place, everything changed. Paul became a beast overnight. And was ready to tackle me at every provocative word I say to him.
He beats you?
Oh, no. Paul is not a woman beater. And that was something I really appreciated. But the way words he used on me, I mean, I would prefer someone hitting me than saying those things to me.
He used to bully you with his words. I see. I think I know where the problem is.
Baby, hope you enjoy the food.
Of course, you know, I always enjoy your meal. So, Kingsley. Paul, you didn't tell me you were coming.
Yeah, it's deliberate. I decided to make this visit unannounced because I you know.
All right then. What brings you?
I'm here to apologize to you. The way I spoke to you earlier today, it wasn't nice. I'm sorry.
Paul, it's okay. No offense taken. It's all right. You didn't do anything.
Yes, he did. It's time to call a spade a spade.
Jezebel, I thought I've told you to stay out of this.
Sure, I will. But you have to tell him that he's not getting any younger. And he won't remain handsome forever.
Hey.
What was the meaning of that?
You know, inasmuch as I do not support her actions, I must say that you deserve a bit of that.
It's fine. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I overreacted. I'm sorry.
So, why were you that upset?
Oh, that Kingsley, twice I have been fortunate to run into Chineye. And each time I try to talk to her, she won't even let me through. She won't let me get through to her. You know, and it just hurts because she keeps telling me that nothing can ever happen between the both of us again. Nothing. No chance whatsoever. You know, I don't know. It happened again today and all of that just... I'm sorry, man.
Let me to try again.
Darlington, I am trying so hard to understand why you are staring at me.
Something tells me that your days are numbered, and you really need to be careful.
What is the meaning of that? No, what do you mean by my days are numbered? Numbered by who?
There is a friend of Chineye named Enki.
Listen to me, Darlington. I can't remember telling you that I have any interest in Chineye's friend. I am only dating Chineye, and I am cool with that.
If you could only calm down and listen, and not interrupt me like a drunken sailor, it would be nice.
So what is it?
NK on our way to the house today saw you along the road with a babe frolicking.
Wait, are you serious? Who told you this?
Enki is my friend. She told me. And I know by now she must have told Chineye of what she saw. This is why I said you need to be careful.
No. This information is very dangerous. This information is not for me. I have already set up a wonderful business with Chineye and I don't want anything to destroy it.
Business? What business did you set up with her?
How it concern you? Is it your business?
Former.
You know, it still baffles me that you want this girl back in your life after all the things you did to her.
Yeah. Because she's the only one that I have truly loved. With all of my heart, without reservations.
So if that's the case, why then did you treat her the way you did?
I don't know. I have had to think about this over and over again. I don't know what came over me, really.
Well, I guess we should blame the devil then.
That's everyone's easy way out when they do stuff that they are not proud of. But as for me, I'll take responsibility. What I did to Neye was not good. How I treated her was terrible. And I take responsibility. I'm ashamed of my actions. That's the truth.
All right then. I think this is the first step of being a man. So tell me, my friend, how do you intend going about it?
I wish I knew.
Don't you know any of her friends?
Oh, there's Clarion. She has a lot of respect for her. Clarion also happens to be a mutual friend, so, you know.
Okay. Why don't you walk your way back into her life through Clarion?
Been trying. It's been hard.
You know, I know that she loves you. And I also know she will come back to you. But it didn't be on a platter of gold. It won't.
Can you please explain what you mean?
Paul, the bitter taste she got from you during her time with you is still on her tongue. Like a wound. And trust me, it will take time for it to heal.
I know. It's just that it's taking too long. It's either taking too long or I'm just in a hurry because I miss her and I want her back in my life.
Unfortunately, I have to tell you that it will take longer. So my friend, you have to just be patient. Be patient. She will come around eventually.
I agree with you. Just that I need all the help that I can get to win her back.
Well, that wouldn't be a problem. On my own path, I will try as much as possible to talk with her.
Thank you. I'll appreciate it.
It's okay, bro. Anything for you.
Thank you.
Does everyone know what he's doing?
Hey! How are you? I see you're already ready for sleep. That was good today. That's good.
Uncle Paul, Mommy told us you visited in the afternoon, but when we got home, we didn't see you.
Oh yes, I was here, but something came up at work, so I had to rush back to the office.
Okay.
But I'm here now.
So Uncle Paul, when are you getting married?
What do you know about marriage?
Yes, because I can't wait to attend your wedding.
What is wedding? Look at these children.
Don't mind them. It's okay, please. It's time for you to go to bed, okay? Okay?
Mom, I want to stay with Uncle Paul.
Really? Well, I don't have a problem with that. Just that tomorrow is school. Or have you forgotten?
Yes. No, and early to bed, early to rise makes a man healthy and wise. So you have to go. Come on. But I'll be here weekend, so we can play Ludo. We can sit around. All right. Put it in. Bye. Good night. All right. Good night. Sleep tight. See, your kids are getting very inquisitive.
I'm telling you. I actually stayed up so we can have dinner.
I'm in luck. How did you know? I am hungry. Life of a bachelor.
Yeah.
What did you make?
Let's move to the dining room.
Sala. And poundo.
Just come first.
What a day it has been. Lord have
All I'm begging you is to let me to try.
I had a very long talk with Chinaya today.
And what did she tell you about me?
She said you tormented her soul when she was with you. She said you know how to torment and destroy someone verbally.
That may have been the truth. But I'm better now. I know better now. I'm a better man. I have grown.
Okay. The point is, whatever transpired between you two is coming out piece by piece. Why don't you just cool down and tell me the whole story so at least I know what I am dealing with here?
The entire story. That's a lot. A lot happened, actually.
Thank God I have all the time to listen to you. Both of us are mobile. You can leave anytime you like.
I might not be able to remember all that happened because it's been a while, but I know that some of the scenes were quite ugly. But I remember clearly what made her leave my house.
Okay. I'm all ears.
Hey, Pumpkin.
See who's here.
How are you?
Well, I wasn't fine, but now that you're here, not only have you distracted me, but I'm also very fine. Goodness me, look at that skin. Maybe let's just go home now.
Oh, please.
Let's go home.
No.
See where you're sitting now. Nobody's doing me somehow.
Stop it.
How are you, baby?
Well, I'm doing great. I'm doing just fine.
Okay. So what's up?
I just closed from work, so I will be at the VIP section by 4 p.m. waiting for you.
Sounds good to me. How many of your friends are coming with you?
None.
Oh, why?
It's just you and I. Just you.
Just you and I. So that's what you want?
That is what I want.
Looks like there'll be fringe benefits tonight.
Don't do that.
No, I'm not doing anything. I'm just having ideas. Goddamn. Can we just go home first?
We're not going home. I'm going home to get dressed. I'll be waiting for you at the VIP section by 4. I want that quality time just with you and you alone.
Wear something hot. Wear something that will give me an erection the moment I see you, baby.
Shut up.
I can't help
it. Okay, so I'll see you by 4.
See you at 4, baby.
Okay.
I'll just round off here.
Have a nice day.
No, I'll try.
Have a nice day.
Nah, you see what you're doing. You see what you're doing now. Nah, that's not fair, right?
Bye.
Right. She gave me more than 10 missed calls, but I did not take her calls. I was busy. I was busy at the office. It was an excuse. She would not take. I know. Yeah, I know. I still regret my actions. Till today. Hi, sweetheart.
Thank you, Paul. Thank you so much for ruining my day. Thank you. How could you?
Please. You will have to forgive me.
You're right.
Look, I'm telling you, it's been crazy for me. My head is full. I have so much I'm doing this period. What happened today was not deliberate. You've got to believe. Would you believe that the moment you stepped out of the office today, external editors, an unscheduled visit, they showed up from Abuja. Nobody could leave the office. Nobody could make a call. Nothing. And you know how they can be now. They were there for quite a while, and by the time I came out, you know, it's just, I'm sorry.
There is always an excuse. Every occasion. My birthday, my mother's birthday, everything you have an excuse, Paul.
What has your mother's birthday?
Why didn't you at least call me? Or even send a message to at least let me know what is going on?
But I'm not your mother's husband now. You bring your mother into this. It's not my responsibility to call her. But look, talking about you, I called. I'm telling you, if you're going to call one of these mobile networks, they'll tell you, I called, but it wasn't going through. It says the number you're trying. The person you're calling is out of network coverage area. So I probably thought that you were hanging out with friends, and by the time you come back to town, I'll call again. And I just sat down here. I don't know what happened, and I just dozed off. It was you just coming in now that sort of jolted me back to life. I'm sorry, baby. I'm really sorry. Forgive me now.
You know what? There is absolutely no need for the apologies. The deed is done already.
But it's just...
Thank you.
Baby. But it's not that deep now, is it? But it's just an ordinary birthday. Now we'll have more great moments to celebrate. Eh? Sweetheart, please. Baby.
Paul.
What?
Paul, please. Just stop. I'm not in the mood for this tonight.
Come on now, don't tell me you're still angry about the birthday thing. I'm sorry.
I shouldn't tell you I'm still angry.
No.
No, why shouldn't I be angry? You practically ruined my day today. I was supposed to spend quality time with you, but no, you wouldn't take my calls or even call me back.
But
I don't. Please, just allow me.
Sweetheart, I'm sorry. Please, I'm sorry.
Sorry? No, you think sorry solves everything. Paul, you do this all the time and then you end up saying sorry and expect me to be fine. Well, this time it's a no-no. Please get your hands off me.
I'm going to make it up to you. Just please, let's allow this one slide, please. I'll make it up to you. Please. No, don't worry. Just leave that to me, baby. I'll make it up to you. I promise you. Please.
That's fine. Still, I'm not in the mood for anything tonight. Just let me...
No.
Paul.
Come on, don't say that.
Can you just stop already? Please.
Why are you so quiet? Did somebody die? What is the problem?
I missed my period.
What period, please?
A woman's period, of course, which simply means that I am pregnant.
You know what? I need you to say it one more time so that I am sure that you're not joking.
What exactly do you want me to say, Paul?
What do you want me to ask? What's wrong with you? You ask me what I want you to say. What do you want me to ask you? Why would you allow yourself to get pregnant in the first place?
Excuse me?
What is the meaning of this?
What is the meaning of what? I'm asking you a simple question. Am I the first man you're having unprotected sex with? Oh yes. Are you not an adult? I'm asking you. Chinenye, are you not an adult? Why would you allow yourself to get pregnant in the first place?
You know, I am still trying to fathom what you are saying.
What I am trying to say, madam, is that I'm not ready for a child right now. I'm not ready to be a father.
Even at that, there are better ways to present it.
How? Buy you ice cream before I present it to you? Madam, get rid of that thing. Get rid of that thing. I didn't ask you to get pregnant. Alright? I'm not the first man you've had unprotected sex with. I don't understand why you have sex with me and choose to get pregnant.
I chose to get pregnant.
Oh yes.
Really?
Oh yes.
You're joking.
I'm not joking.
You are a joker, Paul.
I'm not joking. Get rid of this thing. Madam, you are going to get rid of this thing. I'm not ready. I don't want a child. And that is it. Get off my face, my friend. Look, get rid of that thing. Get rid of that thing. Get rid of that thing. Your mate would have sex and take care of it. Do the right thing. You have sex, you left the sperm there. Madam, please, I didn't meet you a virgin, so you've been having sex before you and I met. And you didn't get pregnant for those men. Now, you met me, had sex with me, I enjoyed it, you enjoyed it, and instead of you to do the right thing, you know, like your fellow women, no, you did not do that. What you chose to do was to keep the sperm. And you come here, tell me you're pregnant. What do you want me to do? To go and see your father this afternoon? Come on now, behave yourself. They don't do things like that. Get rid of this thing. Let life move on. Stop it.
What exactly does this man take me for? It's done. The pregnancy has been terminated.
Good girl.
Is that all you have to say? Is that the only thing you are going to say to me after going through abortion pains?
What exactly do you want me to say to you? Tell me. What do you want me to say to you? Clap for you? Or for your own mistake? You did this to yourself, madam.
What exactly is your problem? Why are you so inconsiderate and selfish?
Far from it, don't stop it. You're the one who's been selfish, right? You're the one who chose to get pregnant, thinking that I will get with the program. It doesn't work that way, all right? You've been having sex before you and I met. You never got pregnant. You got to my turn. You refused to do what a mature woman would do. You've got to admit that you got yourself in this mess and make me look bad. Come on now, stop it. It's not right. Huh? This is your mistake, not our mistake.
You know you have repeatedly said this nonsense. Blaming me and saying it's my fault.
Yes, no, it's not nonsense.
No, but now I want to know how this is my fault.
This is your fault.
Did I get myself pregnant?
Yes, because you had sex. And you didn't do the right thing. When people have sex, they know what to do, just like you've been doing with other guys. You've been having sex now for years, for years before you met me. How come you didn't, what, those guys don't have sperm cells, what, they don't ejaculate? They don't come when you guys make out? Come on now, get real, huh? I'm street, you're street, you know exactly what I'm talking about. You don't come hang this on my neck and expect me to play. And when I don't play, I become the bad guy. Please, this one is on you. You had sex, you're supposed to take something, get rid of it so that we continue to play. I refuse to do that. Now I want to put it on. Stop now.
I don't blame you, Paul. I blame myself. I blame the times I deceived and told myself that you are a good man, even with all your excesses. I blame the times I opened my legs to you, Paul. But you know what? I wouldn't shed a tear for you. Because you're a bastard.
Fall for half blood. Oh, who's this fine girl?
I need to talk to you.
Can't you just wait till tomorrow, please?
No, I'd rather we talk now.
Okay, go ahead. I'm listening.
Since the time I had that abortion, I have been feeling pains around my abdomen.
Sorry about that. We're going to see the doctor tomorrow.
Okay.
So I can sleep now, right? Thank you very much. Good night.
Okay, the result is ready. You can have it.
Can you just tell us what is the situation? Just...
In that case, madam, your permission is needed to speak on the scan result.
It's okay, you can go ahead, doctor. He's my boyfriend.
Alright. With all due respect, madam, you had an abortion. And from my findings, it's not the first nor the second abortion you are having.
That's true, doctor. It's actually the fourth.
Doctor, yes, it's that way because you see, we at the time were looking at,
It's okay, Mr. Paul. I understand.
Thank you.
Just that the scan results shows that if you do not start conceiving now, in a few years' time, you may likely not be able to conceive anymore.
What?
Yeah. This is just because the abortion you had have damaged so many parts of your womb. Though that is not the end of the world. Like I said, you can still bear children, but only if you deem it fit to conceive. I mean to start conceiving.
So, what do you think?
I can't think of anything right now. My head is really full.
Well, I have a suggestion.
Okay, let's hear it.
Since we're already talking marriage, why don't we just fast track it before... I mean, people get to know the problem with my womb.
Listen, right now I'm not ready for marriage. Okay, I'm not in that space right now. I'm not.
Why, if I may ask?
I am sure that you don't want the answers to that question.
Of course I need an answer to that question. Listen, Paul, you put me in this mess and we have to bear the brunt together.
We together?
Yes.
You're beginning to sound uncivilized. You're in this alone. Take care of your mess. I know. It's really nice. Ah, you like the space?
Yes, I do.
Wait until you see the bedroom. You'll love it even more.
Who's she?
Oh, this is my kid sister. Actually, she's putting up with me for a while. She has issues with accommodation.
Oh.
But she's pretty cool. You won't have issues with her.
Hi.
She's been here for a bit, but she'll soon leave.
Okay.
Okay? First things first, let's have you settle in properly. Okay? I'll just take you upstairs to your room.
Alright.
Okay?
Alright.
Alright, that's the staircase. Just quickly do the stairs. The stairs.
What's... Did he just call me his kid sister? Paul. What's going on here? Who is she?
Oh, that's my new girlfriend. What is it? No. What's funny? What? She's not fine? You don't like her?
No, this must be some sort of joke.
Oh, it's not a joke now. She's a fine girl. You can see she's fleshy. You know I like them fleshy. And she's light skinned just like you. She's beautiful. Look at her. Did you see her nose? Straight.
Paul.
What?
Please. Whatever it is you were doing, stop it. You were breaking my heart.
How?
We are supposed to see the man who's arranging our wedding. We're giving him a date next week.
Thank God we have not seen him. Thank goodness. Because it would have been disastrous for you. Because there will be no wedding.
Paul, please. Please. You can't do this.
Why are you getting emotional? What is it?
Okay, please, I need you to talk to me in a language I will understand.
You're actually crying. It's not necessary. Look, I have talked about this before. You have a ruptured womb and I'm not going to live with it. It's that simple. What do you want me to do?
Paul, I need you to stop this joke already.
Oh, come on.
Paul, you need to stop this. This is actually not funny.
What you are doing right now is not funny. You have a ruptured womb. I am not going to live like that. What, you want me to live the rest of my life without my own seed? Like my own child? Come on now. Be logical. Stop being emotional. Don't touch me now. Don't do that.
You can't do this to me. Whatever happened to me today is as a result of the abortion I had. You cannot tell me that you are not going to marry me and you're bringing in another lady. Paul, you need to stop this right now. You actually...
Don't touch me. I don't see why you want to touch me. And very importantly, you need to get your things together at your earliest convenience and leave this house. That's my new girlfriend. We're going to be having sex.
Well, that is a joke!
And when we're having sex, I don't need you listening.
Paul, you would not do this.
I'm going to do it.
You would not do this, Paul. I won't have you do this to me. Paul, listen. Listen. You won't do this to me.
What is this?
You would not do this to me, Paul. Paul, stop this. You won't do this to me. How can you? Paul, listen to me. Paul,
I'm going to smack you.
You would not do this to me. Paul, you would not do this to me. You would not do this to me. Paul! We need to talk about this. You cannot... Paul!
If you stand in my way again, I will smash your head against that wall. Don't try me. Get your things together and leave my house. Because I'm going to be having sex in this house, trying to get that girl pregnant. I need my own child.
God. Paul, you went too far. My God.
Yeah. I made a terrible mistake with Chinenye the first time, but I know better now, and I promise not to do that again.
The truth is, because of what she went through, she's going to play hard to get, but if you exercise a bit of patience, you will get her back.
How? From where? Like, you saw her. You saw how she was. From where?
Okay. You have to start from somewhere. Okay. Start by going to her house. I mean, just pay her a visit.
That one too is a problem. I don't know where she stays. I don't know where she lives. You know, that's the reason I had come to see you earlier to get that information from you. And then I ran into her and you saw how that played out.
Okay, so that will not be a problem. I will give you her address, but I have to tell her first.
Oh, come on, Clara, no. You know she will not agree.
I know, but I will talk to her.
What are you doing? Of course you know she will not agree. Please. Just hand me the address and let me go see it. Don't.
I know, but I will talk to her.
Are you sure? Please, I know that some of these revelations are quite disturbing and disappointing. But I beg you, please continue to help me talk to her. Let her know that I'm a changed man. I lost her one time. I don't want to lose her again.
Paul, we are in this together. You have nothing to worry about, okay?
Thank you. Thank you always, Claro. Thank you. You always show up for me. You always do. Thank you. And thanks for the food. Thanks for the food. Came in here like a hungry lion. But I have to go. Kiss the kids for me.
Please, I want you to take a good look at this.
I know what it is. I know what it is. That is the financial audit.
Exactly. So what is he still doing here?
It's there with you because of the mistake on that financial statement.
What? Oh. So why am I just hearing about it?
That's because the corporate, Chima, happens to be the MD's younger brother, and the MD does not want anyone around here seeing that error. So he brought it to you and I so that we can clean this mess, as usual.
Please, what mistake did he make?
He forgot to add the young man forgot to add the subsidiaries of ABC Holding to that financial breakdown.
Why would he make such a mistake? Why?
It's simple. He's not a chartered accountant yet, so...
He thinks because he made first class in accounting, he can handle the work of certified accountants.
These errors will continue until he decides to go right side.
If that man continues like this, he's going to run this company down.
True, I agree with you, but the MD does not see it that way. He keeps insisting that you and I keeps helping the younger brother to, get along since he has the prerequisite knowledge of what is required to head the accounting department of this company.
It doesn't make sense to me. What that young man needs is for him to just go and write ICANN.
It does not make sense one bit.
That's all.
What's this? All I'm begging you is to let me to try again. Please, if you let me, then I will write up my own. Baby, I'm a changed man now. All I need.
I'm on my sugar pie. God, Amana.
Kept me waiting there.
I'm really sorry, my love. I'm sorry.
So did she give you the money?
Yes, I you don't see what I'm holding in my hand. Hey.
Hey. Like this now, that lady in a better office. And you need to continue to milk her.
You see that lady? Pure Mugu. So you are still talking as if you don't know what I can do.
So now,
hey.
My love, how much is my share? My share.
No, now, my love. Listen, this time around, we are not going to share anything.
But why?
See, I don't like the way we are hanging around like birds. We need to get an apartment, even if it's a bed sitter or face me, even if it's bed face me and face yourself. I don't care. We need to pay and unpacking.
Oh, you do your head?
Yes.
My mind no reach that side safe.
Yes, because you are only good in doing makeup. You understand? You understand? Sorry. But before we think of going to pay for the rent, we need to go and sit down, relax, Come
I need to give you doggy.
I need, no, not just doggy. I need to do dorime on your head first. Then tomorrow we can now contact the agent for any house. You understand? We need to be going, my dear. You see that woman? Nah, pure mugo. You need to see that. That is why I tell you that I know the exact button to press.
I love you, baby.
At any given time to get any rich woman of my choice. Take. Hold the phone.
From you, it's a second chance. All I'm begging you is to let me to try again. Please, if you let me, then I will write up my own. Baby, I'm a changed man now. All I need is a man.
A guy was here. Who?
Nene, how many guys do you have?
None. Exactly why I asked. Who? A farmer was here. What? Wait a minute. You mean a farmer had the guts to come to my house? He should count himself lucky that I did not get to meet him. I would have given him the worst embarrassment of his life. What nonsense!
Wow! Wow! I am so glad you finally decided to put him where he belongs. I never thought this day would come. Really? Anyway.
He said he came to see.
Anyway, that's by the way. You're quite early from work today. What happened?
We went for field work.
Oh.
And then I went to see Lady Clarion afterwards.
Oh well.
Okay. Where are you off to? I have a supply to make. Girls, Chief is calling.
But I thought you said you no longer work with him.
Yes. That is why I am surprised to see him calling me right now.